I'm Richard Tracy, Senior VP of Aerion Corporation and Chief Technical Officer. Supersonic natural laminar flow allows a dramatic reduction in drag compared to a normal, let's say, non-laminar flow airplane. The real product of AS2 will be productivity. Yes, there will be this exuberant feeling of going fast, of doing what only fighter pilots have done in the past. But for the businessman or a person who's on vacation, whatever, you'll be more productive than with a subsonic airplane because you're getting there faster. This is our dream, and I think we're well on the road to making it happen now. We're bent on creating a practical, efficient supersonic airplane, one that does not rely on afterburners to make it to Mach 1 or beyond, one that can operate out of normal business airports, not just the 2-mile-long runways of London and LAX, one that will be comfortable to ride in and for the pilot, just like flying every other airplane.